532 and 552, disturbance on east side. 532? 5. You're in the area of 2575 South Memorial Drive. There's a male and female walking down the street. The male is holding a baby and the two are physically fighting. They're heading towards Quick Trip. The female's wearing khaki pants and the male has a teal colored hat and a backpack. Do you 10 for? 552, I got it. GM coming from the west. Okay. 560, you can sit there and go home. 10 for.
$7733, did you copy?